The WWE Universe on their feet.
The following is a tornado tag team match. On the way to the ring, the Bad Girls.
The WWE Universe has been counting the days, hours, and minutes for this match to start, and the countdown is almost over.
And their opponents, the Wolfpack.
You are looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe. These tag teams showing they're ready to do battle under tornado tag rules.
Always a match that'll make your head spin. Trust me, things are going to devolve sooner rather than later.
And that was offense with a hurtful purpose. Rotating vertical. Can she keep her down? Coming to the rescue. Looking worse for wear in the corner now. Man, what a push. Running elbow drop.
Inverted Alabama slam.
An unyielding showing of authority. No two ways about it.
Big splash.
Oh, and she turns it around.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
Oh, slap leg. Followed up with a
Basement drop kick. And look at this now. Yes, applying the submission hold.
Is she going to tap?
There's the save. How close was that? Big forearm.
Brought down. Oh, stop. Followed by a forearm smack. A rope step. Boom!
Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display. Taking flight.
She avoids the attack completely, taking a chance, and it didn't pay off at all.
Down with force.
Evades the attack.
And responds with a counter of their own. Oh, man, that's like death by 1,000 cuts. Hard landing.
Oh, gut punch. Nasty.
Got the 4 Nelson.
Slam.
Oof. Kick finds it.
Ooh. Great counter.
Great awareness as she proves to be too quick.
Oh, that's how you establish dominance.
It couldn't have felt good being shoved around like that. Cross landing powerbomb.
She's starting to tire a little.
Uh-oh.
Holy, meet the barricade.
looking for something here. Wait a minute, hoist it up.
Oh my God! Gut first into the barricade. Ooh, she responds with a counter. Boot.
She's pumping herself up, reaching out for that burst of energy.
Oh, what a boot.
Look at this, just,
Oh my, what a splash.
stomp after stomp after stomp. Treating the torso to yet another attack.
Superhuman for the win. 2. Oh, kicked out.
As close to 3 as you could possibly get without the bell ringing.
And back into the ring she goes.
Wow, that is some impressive strength.
Dominator. Shoulders down. This could be the one that does it for her. Almost had her. And a kick out stays in it.
Somebody pinch me. I gotta be dreaming. There's no way she's still in this match.
Right to the knee. Climbing up to the top now. Piranha, ay Dios mío. Locks in the gut wrench. Suplex.
And she's gone after her opponent's core a few times now. Taking flight.
Body splash. She's on her last legs here. Not what you want to see by any means.
She just will not go away. Oh boy, that's a determined stare that's come across her face.
Able to reverse. Look at this. Boom. Nice. And I think we just might see.
Fingers buried deep, locked in on the mandible nerve.
Sent a message with that one. Getting back into the ring.
What a spin kick. Somersault on Lydia. Cover. 2.
Stopping the ref's count at 2.
Good Lord, scarily close to 3.
Have you ever...
Uh-oh.
He's gonna try it again.
Plowing deeper and deeper into the throat.
Tuck her in. It's bedtime.
This is excruciating. Look at the body. Look at how her body is. A body shouldn't bend.
She will not quit. She will not stop fighting. She avoids the contact.
Running hurricanrana. Fantastic. That offense really hitting her hard.
She starts to rise back up, but does she know where she is?
Off the rope. Ow! Absolutely throwing all caution. Will it be?
I think so.
Kick out.
This is where desperation becomes a factor. Time to pull out all the stops. And that one misses the mark.
Flying Mayorana. And there she is on the attack deep in this match.
She has done a great job to stay alive, but has to think about...
Kick to the gut. Lifted way up. Round and around and...
Oh, she's in the spinning powerbomb. She's got it. Got her shoulders down.
And they're still in this.
What energy in the arena tonight.
What a barrage of stops.
And now it looks like she's struggling for air. Continued shots to the core will do that to you.
Discus punch. And she is feeling the electricity from the crowd now.
Fails to connect on the springboard. A fireman's carry.
All she has to do is capitalize.
Are you kidding me?
Where is she finding the strength?
This is unreal.
She wants to put an end to things here.
The sleeper is cinched in, and you can see little by little the opponent is fading. Trapped and nowhere to go.
Except there's the save. How close was that?
Double stomp. Look at her taking in all the energy from the crowd.
Boom! Down across the knee.
hits above the shoulders.
Oh, clothesline! This one is headed outside, guys. Look at this. Boom. Nice. What are we going to see here?
Third. Uh-oh. Down low with the drop kick. Powerbomb. And the exclamation point.
And she's taking on further damage.
Yeah, this could get dire for her in a hurry.
Oh, no. Now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver.
Uncorks a thunderous chop. And the sleeper hold is firmly applied, trying to turn out the lights.
I'm going to tap out here, but it ain't going to matter.
They still do a lot of damage, though.
She will not quit. She will not stop fighting.
Delivered into the barricade.
These superstars must be feeding off the WWE Universe.
This place is starting to rock. Bam! Suplex. Very nice.
Hits to the core like that'll render you useless.
Oh, needed a jaw.
Battling ringside and our announce table's getting shaky.
That's because Byron is quivering in fear next to me.
Oh, I get nervous when the fight comes out here, guys.
Oh!
Super kick!
More attacks up there could leave her severely impaired.
German suplex, but that's not all.
Into a ripcord lariat. What a combination. Getting dangerously close to our desk.
That's it. I'm out of here. Slingshot guillotine leg drop.
And a drop.
From behind.
German suplex.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Oh, man, they do not care who or what they destroy.
Yeah, Byron, you are dangerously close to being collateral damage in this one. Uh-oh. Look at this.
Uh-oh is right. Fallaway slam. From behind. Back suplex.
And that could be it. That might be the last punishment she can absorb.
Her body can only take so much before we see a full collapse.
Oh, strong impact.
Rotating vertical suplex. Nicely done. Don't come over here.
Cole, quick, use Saxton as a human shield.
Everyone get out of the way. These two are abandoning all restraints.
She sent flying into the corner.
Superman punch in the corner.
And the spear.
Here's a cover. Could be it. No, it's not over.
The muscle memory's got to be taken over now. Pure instinct to kick out before 3.
This match has spilled out to the ringside area, and as we can see, tension's really running high now.
Yeah.
A fireman's carry.
Into the slam. And that could be all. Let's see.
A big win. That took a huge effort.
Here are your winners, the Bad Girls.
Plenty of chaos in an exciting tornado tag contest.
The way these women executed maneuvers, they must know each other inside and out.